Ever crave something that's both delicious and packed with health benefits? Enter carrot pea pancakes. These pancakes are a culinary delight, combining the sweet crunch of carrots and the wholesome goodness of peas, both loaded with nutrients. Carrots bring a bounty of beta-carotene, fiber, vitamin K1, potassium, and antioxidants to the table, while peas, being low in fat but high in fiber and protein, pack a powerful punch. Now let's dive into how to make these delicious and healthy pancakes. Making carrot pea pancakes is simple and straightforward. You'll need some carrots, peas, chickpea flour, rice flour, a handful of spices, and eggs if you're using them. Don't forget the cilantro, and of course, some vegetable oil for frying. Let's start with preparing the curry yogurt sauce. Grab a bowl and whisk together plain yogurt, curry powder, lemon juice, and salt. Pop it in the fridge to let the flavors marry while we move on to the pancake batter. For the batter, you want to combine your grated carrots, thawed peas, chickpea flour, rice flour, baking powder, and spices in a large bowl. If you're using eggs, add them in for binding. If not, a little water will do the trick. Stir in some cilantro if you'd like and give it a good mix. Let the batter sit for about 10 minutes. This gives the flours time to soak up the moisture. Then it's time to cook. Heat your skillet, add a splash of oil, and ladle on the batter. Cook until golden brown on both sides. Serve these carrot pea pancakes warm, drizzled with that delicious curry yogurt sauce you prepared earlier. And there you have it, delicious, nutritious carrot pea pancakes with a tangy curry yogurt sauce. So, to recap, combine ingredients, form batter, cook pancakes, and serve with sauce. Enjoy these flavorful carrot pea pancakes with a delicious curry yogurt sauce, perfect for a light and healthy meal or snack.